How to log out of Adobe Lightroom. First of all, open the app and make sure you are on the main screen where your photos and albums are visible. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on your account section. Here you will see sign out option and tap on it once. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to log out of Adobe Lightroom. Confirm the action by tapping sign out button and the app will safely sign you out of your account. After logging out, you will be taken back to the sign-in screen where you can log in again using the same account or a different one anytime you want. Logging out doesn't delete your photos from the device, but syncing and cloud access will stop until you sign in again. This makes it helpful if you are sharing your device or troubleshooting account-related issues. Now you know how to log out of Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips.